y'all, it's me Zaria, and Oh My Girl is back again. Like literally, they just had to come back with Liar Liar like a month ago, maybe even like a month and a half. So they have a speedy comeback. I heard this is supposed to be like a repackaged album. So the song is Windy Day. I haven't seen no teasers for this. I don't know what to expect. I heard it was really good though, so I'm excited to see this. So without further ado, let's just do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Sneeze. Oh, there it goes. Cleared up. Oh my girlish. Move ad. This gives me Alice when the Girls feels. You are. Beanie. Oh, this is cute. I like the flowers on her hair. That's really cute. Oh. I like how the guitar like na. What's a deer? Well, that'd be scary. I don't know. I couldn't be in the woods like that. I'll go the opposite direction. Oh. Oh. What is going on? It's windy. It's like a almost like Spanish vibe to it. Sorry, I was getting a phone call, so let's start again. Oh, her hair is totally different. I didn't recognize who that was at first. Mimi. Are they gonna play Mimi with the rap again? That little 5-second rap in Lila. I'm so mad about that. I like that part a lot. I did not even recognize her. She's like Nina from Twice with that haircut. Oh, Mimi look fire. That's my girl. Mimi looks good too. Whoa. Oh, it's cute. Oh, girl, don't do that. I like that part a lot. No. Oh. Come on, now sing. That's tough. I don't like how that. Don't get hit. Minute. Where is Mimi's rap at? Where is Mimi's rap at? Did I miss it? I didn't miss it, did I? Okay, so I just went back and checked and I didn't miss it. Hashtag justice for Mimi. So, oh, I'm mad about that now. So last time they gonna play her with that 5-second rap, and this time she only get a verse? That's like some other group I know of. This ain't no Oh My Girl. I mean, I guess the song makes up for it because it was a nice song. Yeah, I like it. So, but where is Mimi? Who do I need to add? Like, what is this? This better be the last comeback where somebody doesn't have a verse. I don't care who it is, but especially Mimi, y'all did her dirty. On that note, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like, and comment. And if you like, you can follow me on Twitter, my Instagram. I will leave those in the description below. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.